the city lights, we're losing sight of the beauty that surrounds us day and night. Concrete jungles, steel and glass, we've forgotten the feeling of grass. Let's return to nature where we belong. Find solace in the sound of a singing bird song. Feel the wind blow through the trees and let the river carry us away. Oh please, back to the earth where we find our worth. Let's rediscover the magic of the soil and the dirt. Back to the earth where we can be rebirthed. In the embrace of nature, we can heal our hurt. Back to the earth where we find our worth. Let's rediscover the magic of the soil and the dirt. Back to the earth where we can be rebirthed. In the embrace of nature, we can heal our hurt. Back to the earth where we find our worth. Let's rediscover the magic of the soil and the dirt. Back to the earth where we can be rebirthed. In the embrace of nature, we can heal our hurt. We can heal our hurt.